fender bend. This shit's crazy, y'all.
In the blunt and I'm back in the moon. I'm back in the Benz, I'm back in the tune. I'm racking the bands and I'm laughing.
Alright guys, it's been a while.
It's been a while.
It's been real cold out here where we live, like -40s. But back to what I was saying, we're gonna kick his ass.
Alright, I'm ready when you are. Just announce. I'm ready.
Alright, go. Where the fuck is he? Fuck. Where's this fucker at? Oh shit! Fuck, dude, I need a breather. Oh, hit! Woo! That was a long one. Look at this, I can hit him right here.
Oh boys, hopefully the wind's not too bad, but I'm gonna be honest with you, it sounds like it's too bad.
Right there, I can hit him. Pop, pop.
Man, we are back. It's been like a month since we've uploaded. It's been super cold out here, and quite frankly, we didn't want to be outside in it. But we're here right now. We're ready to get her. At least I am. I don't know about Evscerated.
Oh, I got a wagon over there. I'll move too.
Alrighty, I'm ready.
All right, go.
Oh shit, boys, it's go time. Mask is up. Oh shit, goggles are down. Alright, I think it's time to move. I ain't got him over here.
These goggles are kind of blocking my nostrils.
Yeah, I got him.
I don't know if he's seen me. He sees me.
This is a bad position. I can't see shit. The sun's in my eyes. I'm fucked.
Where'd you go? I got hit. You got hit? Yeah. Man.
Oh no! This shit's crazy, y'all. About to get my first kill on camera.
Don't see me, don't see me, don't see me.
Surrender, bitch. Surrender.
It in the blunt and I'm back on the moon. I'm back in the Benz, I'm back in the tune. I'm racking them bands and I'm laughing at you. I'm proving y'all wrong, don't say it ain't true. It in the